Does consumption of nutritional yeast worsen inflammatory bowel symptoms? Let's find out in this video. Powered by Leaps. If you're new here, my name is Pri, and I have a master's in nutrition, and I'm here to help you on your plant-based journey. One of the things that changes when you switch to a plant-based or a vegan diet is that you include new foods, one of which is nutritional yeast. This is actually used to replace the cheesy taste in many recipes because it has a nutty and really savory flavor. So is it healthy to consume this product? Well, maybe not for everyone. Essentially, nutritional yeast is the same species of yeast found in brewer's yeast, such as in beer, or in baked products, such as in bread, as it is used for fermentation. Usually, nutritional yeast is found in the supermarkets in the form of flakes, powder, or granules. It is getting really popular over the last years because it's naturally low in sodium and it's vegan and gluten-free. So, should we consume this product? If you are a healthy individual and you don't have any food sensitivities to yeast or yeast products or an inflammatory bowel disease, then yes, yeast is a healthy addition to your diet. It is a versatile food that works well in a lot of recipes. It's usually sold fortified as well. 1 tablespoon of nutritional yeast contains 30 to 180% of your daily recommended intake of B vitamins, as well as 2 grams of protein. Additionally, it also contains trace minerals such as zinc, selenium, and magnesium. For those who eat a plant-based diet, the addition of nutritional yeast is a good idea, specifically because of the added vitamin B12, a common deficiency in vegans, along with supplementation, of course. There are a lot of easy ways to include this in your diet. You can just sprinkle it on top of popcorn or pasta, or you can blend it together to form a sauce. So who shouldn't consume nutritional yeast? Studies such as this one indicate that consumption of nutritional yeast and other yeast products worsens symptoms for people with inflammatory bowel disease, such as Crohn's disease or ulcerative colitis. So if you do plan to adopt a plant-based diet while having these conditions, which is shown to improve the symptoms like in this study, where overall inflammatory response has reduced, additionally, eliminating yeast will ensure a better transition. In this study, where Crohn's disease patients had a yeast-inclusive and yeast-exclusive diet, it was shown that the symptoms significantly worsened during the yeast-inclusive periods and got better when they excluded yeast from their diets. So if you do have these conditions, it's just something to be aware of, and it's an easy way to avoid worsening of your symptoms by simply excluding nutritional yeast from your diet. To conclude, nutritional yeast is a healthy addition to one's diet. It is rich in B vitamins, antioxidants, and minerals. People with inflammatory bowel diseases such as Crohn's or ulcerative colitis should be aware how they react to nutritional yeast and potentially avoid it. I hope you guys found this video useful, and I will see you very soon. Until next time, bye!